is Rosalie Westerberg, and this is just a brief little overview of Publisher. So what the heck is Publisher? How do I open it? If you go down to your little start button at the bottom, you need to have Publisher installed on the computer that you're going to use. If you don't have Publisher installed, the college has it installed. It uses the 2010 version. So if you don't see it in the list here, you can just start typing Publisher and it will go search for you. And I'm just going to go ahead and open up Publisher 2010. When we open up the Publisher, it has a lot of different templates already available. So if I wanted to create a business card, I could just click on business card and it would give me a lot of different templates already set up. What's really nice about this is if I'm going to create business documents, notice that they have different formats here, and if I scroll down, I have some templates: arrows, bounce, brocade, tab, simple divider. If I go with color band, well here, batik. If I go with batik and click on it, I could use batik for all of my documents. So if I want to go make letterhead, I could choose the same type of template. When I click on it over on the other side, it says, well, maybe you don't like those colors, so you could change your color scheme. You could change your fonts. Now the fonts are the little words up here. And here I could change, for this one I could change whether it's a landscape or portrait. So I can come over here, choose some things, click create, and then what I do is I just go fill in the blanks. This one happens to come up with some information already there because what I have is my business information already set up. You're going to learn how to do that. Once we have our document there, notice this Home tab looks a whole lot like word processing. There are some extra things in there, but there's some insert. Insert looks a whole lot like word processing. Page design is a little different because we have some other color schemes that we could choose. Mailings. We actually have this type of mailing in word processing. We're going to do that in a later chapter. We can review our documents, view it. So there's a few different things that we can do here. If I want a new template, I can just go to New and say I wanted a newsletter. And if I scroll down here, let's see if we have the same template that we used before. I'm not sure that batik is part of this, but it's a newsletter anyway. Let's change and go to letterhead instead. So I'm just going to come up to the top and I'm going to go to, where's my letterhead? Awards, paper, letterhead. There's letterhead. And let's go down and see if that batik is in here. And maybe I just chose, oh, there it is, batik. And notice it's remembering my color scheme because I already have that open. So I could choose my color scheme, my font scheme, I could include my logo or not. Click create. Did I just make two documents with the same similar formatting? This is what I mean that Publisher is kind of a cool program. You're going to learn a lot. Have fun with it. Make sure you get the right assignments done. Okay, that's how we start Publisher. Click on the Start button. If it's installed, if you don't see it right here, start typing Publisher. If it's installed, it'll show up here. Just go click on it and then get your assignments done. Okay, enjoy class.